What'd you find? What did you find? Did you find something? Did you find?
Man.
Wait a minute, that's not the paintball guns. What is that?
This is so dumb. This is so dumb.
What's dumb? Take a knee.
How do I know?
Grape is so good. I love grape.
Grapes.
Grape's probably one of the better of all the worst flavors.
Oh.
Camry gets panned off from his second. He just takes a knee.
Oh wow, this is brutal. I haven't eaten anything all day.
Same.
This is my breakfast.
It's good breakfast. Breakfast of champs. You got to get prepped up for this battle.
Wow.
I need your head in the right place if we're going to be on the same team.
This is definitely not it.
Well, guys, welcome back to Maine. We're up here doing our thing. Last video we filmed, we did some fishing, which is obviously fun, but there's so much you can do up here. So the idea that we had was for Peric to go order some paintball guns online. Had them shipped here yesterday, went and picked them up in town, and now we're gonna do a 2v2, these bums over here versus us bums over here. So it's gonna be kind of a good battle. I feel like I have a disadvantage with having you on my team, especially after that smeared off ice, but we'll see how we do.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm drunk.
What isn't done? Wait, I did. What's going on here? You gotta finish the whole thing. That's the whole point of a smearing off ice. Anyway, let's open these up. I got some grass too, because I just spread my
That's not how this works, man.
It'll work.
No, that's not how. It's not like, hey, do donuts in your yard, sprinkle some grass, and it goes back together.
Yeah.
You got to get like a, what is that called?
Spreader.
Yeah, you got to like just push the dirt around and patten it down and stuff.
Well, I got it. I got it. I have it. Now I just need
Okay.
something else. Look, I got a shovel too. We're gonna dig some holes. We're gonna dig a fox. What is it? A foxhole?
I can't wait to see this lawn.
This lawn. Wait to see it. You've already seen it. It looks like balls. How could it look any worse? Where'd you get these, by the way? Like an actual paintball?
Yeah, I like looked up like a paintball.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yeah, they have-
Reloaders.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
do we have balls though? Yeah, we have balls.
Look, we can all have wristbands,
Nice.
so we can all match.
Here we go.
Actually, they have this spider trigger. You can actually go fully auto.
Full auto.
Yeller's down.
Look at the colors. Oh, he's got the best color.
What is that? Pink? Purple?
First time.
Yogi green.
This is sick.
Hell yeah. So glad we didn't end up buying those airsoft guns. We waited for these.
Yeah.
Oh, boys.
Hey,
These are nice.
real quick time out before we get this going. We got to set some boundaries and some rules with
Yeah,
these
we
things.
can't just start plinking each
Yeah,
other.
like that's just gonna get old quick.
We can or
Yeah.
cannot start plinking each other.
It's just gonna get old quick, man.
This is sick. Shout out to Peric for buying these guns. These things are dirty. Oh my god. I was like kind of bummed about not going fishing today, but I think this is for the better. That would hurt.
Yeah.
What are these? We had a bit of a mishap. We bought these guns and of course couldn't fill them up with CO2 because I don't think you can ship CO2.
Actually, it's air. It's O2.
Yeah.
We found out.
Oh,
Those tanks
these are air.
Yeah. So she said we could fill it up with our air compressor, but our air compressor isn't strong enough, so it'd be to like 800. You get like 500 shots and have to refill apparently.
Oh, that ought to do the trick. Alright, let's check these out. I've never owned a paintball gun. These aren't mine, but I've just never really messed with them too much. This is gonna be disgusting. I lost my partner though. Peric went on a nature walk and he's just gone.
What's our game plan?
Okay, so the game plan is they're super cocky. These boys are like, well, I do paintball the weekends all the time. Like, sick ghillie suit, dude. Where'd you get that? Walmart? First and foremost, they're cocky. It's all in their head.
It is all in their head. I love how they both come matching camo.
I know. That's
Like
cute.
matching
That's cute,
camo.
bro. That's real cute. Honestly, like that's neat. I appreciate the fact that they're at least trying to fit the part of being good at this game.
Yeah.
But listen, I played paintball twice in my life. I know what I'm doing.
Maybe 3 times for myself. So what? Do you have boundaries? Like, are you going over rules? What's the deal?
Yeah, just don't cross the neighbor's property. That's all public. That's all public. Neighbors are right there, so I don't think they'd appreciate a bunch of little weirdos running around with paintball guns in their yard.
I agree.
I know I wouldn't.
Where's the flag at?
So here's the deal. This is how this mission's gonna go. We're gonna do a capture the claw paintball 2v2. 2 teams, Peric and I versus Jake and the Cole Burford. 1 team on the north side of the property, 1 team on the south side. In the middle is 4 cans of White Claws. The objective is to get to the can of White Claw, open it up, chug it, and not get shot. If you get shot while chugging it, then you gotta go back to where you started and then start the whole cycle over again. So it's gonna be a little bit hectic to say the least. A lot of White Claws will be slugged. A lot of paintballs will be aimed towards the facial and groin region, but it's gonna be a good time. And Hey man, we're just out here for it. We're living for it. Damn, this thing is sexy.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock,
Boom!
paper, scissors, shoot. See ya, boys. Oh, nice.
Well,
So y'all are taking a hike.
We getting lit.
setting the cans up. This is Peric and I's, and this is Cole and Jake's. It's game time. Let's go. All right, bud. Let's crush. We need to get this dub. We need this so badly. Here, oh, get ready, get ready, get ready. Pick it up, get ready. You just shove the can in.
Cheers, bud.
Get them, boys.
Go for when you're ready.
All right. Go get them.
We're ready.
Yeah, go.
Hold on. Apparently I wasn't as ready as I thought I was. Dude, they don't have any idea.
I've got a clear shot right here. I'm dying. I got hit. I'm hit. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go all the way around.
Go left. Retreating back.
Get away from me, get away from me, get away from me. No,
Do
seriously,
what?
get away from me. See that path that goes around the dam?
Do what?
The path that goes around the dam?
Uh-huh.
They're right there. Coming to the right.
Let's charge him. Hey, you ready?
Cole,
One's coming from the left. You hear me?
do what?
One's coming from your left. Jake, I found John. He's back behind us, Jake.
Hit.
Good go, guys.
I got picked.
Hey!
Oh. Well, boys, I've got bad news. I think we might have lost the first round.
I don't know what happened.
Peric and I both got shot like instantly, like simultaneously, which gave the boys a window to go to the White Claws and chug their drink. Round one, we suck. Well, Peric, who won?
Not us.
I feel like we won, but just in a different category.
We got the bad. We got the short end of the stick.
went wrong. This is so messed up because Peric and I both had our one plan. Our one plan for this paintball derby was to sprint, and thinking if we sprint there, we'll be the first ones to the White Claw cans. We'll be able to chug them at least a little bit, and then go find our post. These boys, I think by the time we got to the dock, they were like just leaving my cabin. I don't know why we stopped. We posted up, yeah.
We were done. We made mistakes.
We made vital mistakes, which ended in a loss on our part, but hey, at least I got to shoot some stuff for the paintball gun.
Not us though.
Not us though.
I'm gonna just try it. Dance. No, I'm just kidding. Well, guys, it was a good game. I think we're probably, if you guys want to see us do another paintball tournament, something a little more extreme, a little more intense, maybe incorporate the Can-Am, maybe we'll go buy, like what were you saying, like some actual, like some tarps, some areas for us to actually hide behind. That may be the goal here, but this was still fun. Hopefully the footage turned out good. It was a gong show. I'm drenched in sweat, by the way, just drenched. I could probably wring my hair out right now. But yeah, is that it? Is that the video?
Let's charge him.
Retreating back.